round of applause. Standing ovation, but you put on a show. Really had me gone. Now it's time to go. Curtains finally closing. That was quite a show. Every entertainment, but it's over now. But it's over now. On and take the time. But it's over now. Okay, let me start the class, everyone. Yeah, while waiting for the others because it's already 8:05. Yeah. So let me start them. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, Miss Era, Miss Siha, and Miss Cinta.
Evening, Miss Devi. How are you?
Yeah, I'm pretty good. Thank you. How about you? How are you, Miss Era, Miss Siha, and Miss Cinta? Is everything all right?
Yeah,
Yes, all right. We are
I'm
good.
fine.
Fine. Okay, good.
Good.
Good. All right. Thank you. Thank you. All right. So pretty cool. So, well, maybe I would like to read you one by one. Yeah. So I would like to start with Miss Era first. Miss Era, how is your day anyway? Is everything just fine?
Yes, everything was fine today.
Mhm.
Because this is the first day on this weekend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you feel if it comes to Monday? Do you feel excited or do you feel kind of lazy or something?
Mm, not bad for today. Yeah.
Not bad, but not good.
Because
Okay.
there's
Mhm.
still a lot of my job has
Ah,
not
okay.
finished.
Oh, I see. Okay. So you are quite busy, yeah, every Monday.
Yeah, of course.
What
Not
time did
only me, but also the other staff
yeah,
in
yeah,
SBC
the
are
others
busy
also.
sleeping. Huh?
Okay, cool. And what time did you finish your work for today?
I'm still doing my jobs right now. I'm
Ah, okay.
opening my laptop right now.
Ah, okay, okay. Just skipping for 1 hour and then you will continue your work.
Yeah. Okay. Miss Devi.
Okay, all right. But whatever it is, sorry.
No.
Okay. Whatever it is, yeah, hopefully that you can enjoy your day, even though you feel quite busy or quite tired for today, but hopefully you can something to enjoy for every single thing that you do.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Miss Era. So what about others, Miss Iha? How is your day? Is everything just fine? You feel excited? How do you feel?
Hello.
Yeah, feeling good for today?
Yeah, just good.
Yes, good. Okay. So what are you doing in your workplace today? Like many works or just like another day? Just so.
Not really, because I just do I just still training, so yeah,
Mm.
not
Mm-mm-mm.
so much thing that I can do.
Yeah. So many things. Yeah. Okay. But you feel good, yeah? Even though maybe what is that? Like there are so many things that you
Yeah,
do in your workplace. Feeling good.
pretty well.
Pretty well. And what time did you finish your work? Or are you the same as Miss Era? Are you still working? You finish your work?
Sorry,
Are you still working or you finish your work?
as I finished my work, I think.
Ah, you finish. What time did you finish your work?
I I make some file about the phone, about the contract, and some review maybe.
I see. Okay. So typical day, what time did you finish? What time do you finish your work? Like at 4 or at 5 or even earlier?
At 4 p.m.
Oh, okay, at 4, yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah, so thank you, Miss Siha. Yeah, hopefully that again the same as others. Yeah, hopefully you can enjoy your job there, your work there, even though maybe a lot of things to do. Okay, cool. So that's Miss Siha. What about Miss Chinta? How is everything there? Good.
Good, but I'm very tired.
Tired. Oh, okay. Many things to do too in your workplace.
I'm tired because I come back from Bali yesterday.
Oh, really? What you doing in Bali? Was it for work too?
I'm work in Banyuwangi, but at Bali I'm holiday traveling.
Oh, okay. All right then. But you directly start your work, yeah, even though you just come back from Bali
Yeah.
for today. That's why you feel so tired. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
so that
What?
and
Uh-huh.
tonight I was argument with a client,
Oh,
so I'm very tired.
I see, I see. Oh, I see. Okay. Just the night, yeah?
Yeah,
Mm-mm. Okay. So you are now still working on
yeah,
that.
I'm still working tonight.
I see, I see. So many things to do then, yeah?
Mhm.
Okay. But how was Bali? How many days you were in Bali?
In Bali, I am 3 years,
Mm,
three
3 days.
days,
3 days. Okay, 3 days. 3 days and 2 nights or 3 days and 3 nights?
3 days and 2 nights.
3 days and 2 nights. Only you yourself or you go with someone else?
I'm um I'm going Bali alone,
Alone.
but uh, I am meet someone in airport, and
Okay.
we are uh,
Mm-mm.
kenalan bahasa Inggris. Kenalan
Acquaintance. Yeah, acquaintance.
acquaintance.
Okay. I see. Okay, all right then. And did you enjoy Bali a lot? Pretty nice in
Yeah,
Bali?
yeah, very nice. But
Ah,
I am um confused with um
mm-mm. What were you confused in
street
Bali?
street in Bali street.
Oh, yeah, yeah. There are so many small streets then, yeah, in
Yeah.
Bali. Yeah. Oh, it's so confusing indeed.
Mm-mm.
Okay. But okay, even though you are tired, yeah, hopefully that you can enjoy your day. And yeah,
Yeah.
thank you to
Thank you,
still,
Miss
no
Devi.
worries. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Miss Chinta, Miss Era, and also Miss Siha for keep coming to the classroom, even though I know that you are busy in your workplace, everyone. But coming to the classroom, coming to the Zoom is a proof that you want to be consistent to improve your English. I mean, you are trying to be consistent with yourself anyway because I told you like I'm here to help you. So even for just 1 hour, but if you come consistently, I guess I believe that you can improve your English. Yeah. So yeah, please try to come to the classroom and then try to take advantage, yeah, of this classroom because uh, again, even only 1 hour, you can practice your English with your friends and also with me. Okay. So first, I would like to thank you and I appreciate your effort, yeah, for coming to the classroom and then we will have the discussion. for 1 hour. Okay. So well, so that's the thing, I guess, of all. A little bit greeting from me, but the next one I would like to have the warming up activities. I would like to ask you random question, maybe 1, 2, or 3, before we start with the discussion. Because in our today's lesson, we will discuss about the next lesson, yeah, still in chapter 1, but we will discuss about a little bit about grammar and also about speaking for sure at the end as usual, yeah. So maybe first I would like to ask to maybe Miss Siha, yeah, Miss Siha. So I want to ask you some questions for the warming up activity. So the first question is that here, do you have a cat as your pet at your home?
Yes, I have it, but still
Hmm.
kitten.
Oh, still kitten. How many do you have?
Just one, because 1 year ago I have a cat, but
Mm.
she died.
Oh, so sad to hear that. Oh, okay. What about now? The kitten is too small, and then yeah, of course, kitten. And
Just
let's say,
2 months.
do you name it?
Yeah,
What's that name?
Luca,
Lika?
Luca.
Luca? Luca?
Yeah,
Luca? Is
yeah.
that Luca? Why do you name it by that name? Why not?
I
Why?
don't know, right? Just my brother.
Ah, okay. All of your family members love cat?
Not really. Just
Not
me and my
really.
brother, my little brother.
Your
Brother.
little brother. Oh, okay, okay. All right then. For how long do you have that kitten?
Just about 2 months.
About 2 months. And where did you get that?
From my older brother friends.
Older brother friends. Yeah. Oh, okay. All right then.
I
And
just
do you have
adopt
any?
him.
Sorry.
I just adopt him.
Ah, yeah, 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 yeah. Ah, okay. So you have a cat. Or do you have any other animals at your home as your pet, or just a cat?
Just a cat. One
Mm.
kitten. Yeah.
One cat. Oh, okay. All right then. Okay, cool. So, well, that's about cat. And now I would like thank you, Miss Siha, and then I would like to change to others. And first, maybe I'd like to ask Miss Chinta again. Miss Chinta, this one. I want to ask you this question. Do you have more than 3 siblings, Miss Chinta? How many siblings do you have? Are you there?
No, no, no,
Oh,
I don't have.
you don't have siblings, so you are
Yeah,
the only one
yeah,
daughter.
yeah, I'm only.
Ah, okay, okay, all right then. What about your mom? Does your mom also have siblings, or your mom the only one daughter also in her family?
Uh, my mom have
Mm.
6
Six
siblings.
siblings?
Yeah,
Oh, that's quite a
yeah.
lot, yeah. Okay. And your mom, which number of daughter? Like
My
that?
my mom um in family and in her family
Mm-mm.
um three daughters.
3 daughters. Oh, okay. The third daughter then, yeah.
Yeah.
Uh, okay, okay. So what do you feel of being the only one child in your family? Do you
Um,
sometimes have a sibling, or you are happy by being the only one daughter in your family?
I always feel lonely.
Oh, you feel lonely. Ah, okay. So you wish for
Mm,
a sibling actually, eh?
yeah, I want
Mm-mm.
um I want to have brother or sister.
Ah, okay. So when you feel lonely, what are you doing, Miss Cinta, to kill your loneliness, for example? What you doing?
When I'm lonely, I watching drama.
Oh, you watch drama. What about hanging out with your friends? Do you sometimes also hang out with your friends if you feel lonely?
Yeah, I have friend.
Okay, okay. All right. So yeah, you are the only one daughter in your family, yeah? So okay, cool. Thank you, Miss Cinta, anyway,
Miss
for the
Evi.
answer. I appreciate that. And the last one, Miss Era. So I wanna ask you about this one, this question. Do you like durian, Miss Era?
Yes, I do. I like durians.
Ah, okay. Is durian also your favorite fruit? One of your
Yeah,
favorite fruits?
yes, one of my favorite
Oh,
foods.
okay.
My
I mean,
favorite foods.
go on.
Durian, yeah, one of my favorite fruit.
Durian.
Mm-mm.
Okay. But durian smells quite bad. So do you still like it, even the smells,
Yes, I
pretty?
like it because
Mhm.
about the taste, it's sweet
Mhm.
and well, it gives some.
Okay.
I really like it.
Sorry,
I
what did you say
really like
again? Because your voice
durian.
is too small.
Oh,
The sound is
oh,
not that
sorry.
clear.
I like durian.
Mhm.
And because I ever live in Purworejo, and Purworejo is one of the regency that produce durians, so many durians.
Ah, I see. I see.
Yeah, durian.
Mhm.
You
Mhm.
ever hear that Purworejo produce durian?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I
Yeah,
once also heard that. Oh,
uh,
I see. No
yeah.
wonder that they love durian.
I lived there for years.
Oh,
So
years,
sometimes,
yeah.
yeah. So sometimes I found durians.
Ah, okay, okay. And now also is the season of durian. I don't know, in my place, when I pass the,
Oh,
like, yeah, some ways, for example, yeah. So I saw many durians, along the road. So what about in your place? I mean, for now, it's
mm,
durian season. Is it durian season in your place now?
yes,
Oh,
it's the rainy season, but the durian season I think is over.
it's
It's,
over.
uh,
Oh, I see. So when it comes to durian season, how often do you eat durian for a day? Like every single day you eat durian?
no, because it's pricey. So I give it when I got my salary, maybe, or my mom bought it in the market.
I see. Okay. So even though you are into durian, but it doesn't mean that you have to eat it every day, eh?
Ah,
It doesn't mean.
maybe
Okay. Okay.
maybe
So,
just
mhm.
once, maybe just one in uh 2 weeks, maybe.
Yeah.
Mm.
And what about your family members? Do they also love durian so much?
Yes, all of my family, my
Uh-huh.
sibling, my
Mm.
parents are like durians.
Okay, pretty nice then. Yeah, because if you are the only one who love durian in your family, and then other of your family members do not really like durian, it will be a problem, I guess.
Yeah.
But
Yes.
luckily, all of your family members love durian. That's pretty cool, pretty nice. Okay, all right then. And when did the last time you ate durian, if you remember?
Maybe 2 months ago
2 months
in
ago.
January, maybe
Ah,
January or February.
it's been a long time. Why don't you try to eat durian like in this coming weeks? I mean, you know, in this near time.
Oh, maybe sometimes I work as durian
Mm,
ice
mm.
in
Oh,
the yeah in front of library regency.
I see. Okay, all right then. Okay, cool, yeah. It's a durian. Very nice. Thank you, Miss Era, for answering the question. Yeah, thank you also for others to answer the question. I appreciate that. And everyone, I'm just trying to make sure anyway. So, are you comfortable enough by turning off your camera, or do you prefer to switch on or switch off the camera? What do you think? Because it's okay. Anyway, from me, I want you to choose any ways that you feel comfortable about. If you feel comfortable by not turning off the camera, it will be fun. But if you feel that you want to be more interactive by turning on the camera, so yeah, I suggest you to do that. But anyways, that you feel comfortable, that you feel confident about that. So is that okay for you to just turn off the camera, or you want to turn on the camera? Which one do you think better? Because me, even though you switch off your camera, but I still insist myself to turn on the camera, because I want you to make this class more comfortable by seeing me, even though, you know, like we are being apart, but at least we can see in Zoom, something like that. So what do you think? You still want to keep your camera off, or you want to try to show yourself? Which one?
Keep the camera off for
Oh,
now.
okay. You feel comfortable with that?
Yeah, and feel
All
more
right.
comfortable with that.
Okay.
But I
Okay.
don't know about for the others,
Yeah.
Sika
What
or
about
Miss Cinta.
what about the
You
others?
feel
I also comfortable with the mic. I'm sorry, Miss.
It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, I prefer to turn off my camera.
No worries. No worries. Miss Cinta also the same?
Yeah, I still want to off camera.
No worries. Okay. All right. No worries. All right, I appreciate that, everyone. No worries. Even though, yeah, it is suggested to open the camera, but if you feel so, if you feel more comfortable by turning off the camera, so it doesn't matter at all, as long as we are trying to be more interactive in the classroom. Yeah, I mean, trying to, what is that, like, be communicative to each other. All right, thank you. So, well, thank you, everyone. Thank you, Miss Era, Miss Yang, also Miss Cinta, for answering the question in the warming up activities. And now we would like to discuss about the lesson. So I will take over the class for about 5 minutes to 10 minutes as usual. I will take over the class to explain about the lesson, and then later on we will discuss some questions, and then we will have the speaking practice and also feedback at the end of our session. Okay. So just to continue our discussion, because in our previous meeting we have discussed about task 1 about listening regarding greeting and also introduction, and then we also have a small talk, a small discussion about speaking here, about the introduction, about how the way you can start the conversation with other people in terms of the introduction itself. And then for this meeting we will continue the lesson. We will still talk about chapter 1, but more likely now we will focus on grammar in daily. So again, I do believe that maybe you are already familiar with the lesson, because we will talk about simple present or present tense. That's the same thing. But I will just give you a short review about this one, okay? Just in case you forgot, and then just to remind it again, just to remind you about what is present tense actually. Okay, as you can see on the screen, everyone, look, we can see here like present tense or simple present, or simple present or present simple, the same. That has the same meaning actually. We will use this kind of tenses to describe about many things. For example, to describe about habits that we do every single day. And then we can also use present simple here to describe about unchanging situations, to describe about general truth. And also if we have some arrangement and that arrangement is already fixed, so the way we say that, the way we try to express the arrangement, the general truth, or maybe the unchanging situation, the habits, we can use simple present or present simple, yeah. And we have several formula here, as you can see, for affirmative, or we can say that also positive. That's the synonym. So if you want to say the positive form, yeah, that's okay. And then affirmative, that's also the same. For example, I live in a small apartment. So yeah, that's how do we say that? Like subject and then verb one, and then the object, okay? If the subject is I, you, they, we. But if the subject is he, she, it, so the verb we need to add S or ES. For example, oh, he lives in a big house, okay? She speaks 4 languages. So that's for affirmative. And then for the negative one, we just need to use, yeah, do and doesn't, yeah, do and does, and then we need to put not, yeah, with that kind of verb. So we use don't if the subject is I, you, they, we, and then we use does not or doesn't if the subject he, she, it. Okay, as simple as that. For example, oh, they don't speak English, she doesn't teach English, and also if I, so we use don't. I don't work in a big company. Yeah, that's for the negative form. And for the question, the simple one, we need to put on, or we need to use do or does to start the question. We need to use do question if the subject is I, you, they, we, and then we use does if the subject is he, she, it. Okay, for example here, oh, do they work as an engineer in a big company? Yeah, the way you answer that is that, oh, yes, they do, or no, they don't. That's how do you answer the question. And then another example is that, oh, do you work as a doctor in the town? Oh, yes, I do, or maybe no, I don't, example. And then the last one here, does she help the nurse with the operation? Yes, she does. Yes, she does. Or if no, oh no, she doesn't, for example. Yeah. Yeah, that's the question. And then this is for verbal. Yeah, this is for the nominal meaning. We need to use the to be like is MR. For example, the nominal sentence is that for the affirmative, we use M for I, and then we use R for the subject of you, they, and we, and the rest we use is. Okay, for example, oh, I am a teacher, you are a dentist, or they are new employees, or maybe we can say she is a teacher, and so forth. Yeah. And then for the negative one, for example, just need to put not after the to be. I'm not a doctor, she is. Oh sorry, ini salah teman-teman, harusnya ada notnya ya. There should be the word not. She is not the best employee, and then they are not at the office. Okay, that's for the negative. And then for the question, we need to put the to be first, and then the subject, and then the object. For example, oh, are you the best employee here? Or is she a resilient employee? Or are they at the office? And so forth and so forth. Yeah, so that's a simple example of how the way we can use a grammar in our daily conversation. And yeah, that's for the grammatical use. And then the next one, here it is, the conversation. Maybe again, the lesson is quite simple. We will just do a little bit review of grammar in use, yeah, but simple present. And then the conversation, we will have this kind of question. So we will talk to each other asking about this question. Oh, what was the most fun thing you did last weekend? And then what is one thing you are looking forward to doing when you retire? And then what is one of your greatest achievements so far, if you can remember, okay? And then the next one, if you could change one thing about your job, what would it be? Okay, we have so many questions. but later on we can ask the question depending on what is that like, depending on you. I mean, which question do you want to ask to your friends? As long as you keep practicing your English and then answering of all not all, but some of these questions probably. And then can you tell me about something that you hate? What is that? And then can you tell me something about what you really care about? Can you tell me something about pleasant here, things that make you happy, for example, yeah? And then can you please tell me about something bored or maybe something boring that you are doing? Or maybe can you tell me about something that you have achieved so far? What is that? Okay. So that's the question, and we will discuss about this one. I would like to try to copy the question if it is possible in the chat. Hopefully that it will work. Oh yeah. I put the question on the chat, everyone. So I guess because, we just have 4 of us, but that's okay. I guess, hang on. Last meeting we have 4 participants, but now we have 3, but that's okay. If I still remember, I guess last meeting, Miss Cinta sama Miss Puput, Miss Era sama Miss Siha ya. Coba kita switch, jadi kita ganti partner. So for now, maybe there will be one person that will have the conversation with me ya. So it should be fine because we are lack of one person. Dan nggak apa-apa, sama aja mau conversation sama saya ataupun sama teman-teman as long as kita praktek gitu ya speakingnya. So I hope that it will be fine. Okay. So now kita switch karena kemarin itu Miss Era sama Miss Siha. Jadi sekarang mungkin Miss Siha sama Miss Cinta ya. So Miss Era will be with me. So I want you maybe between Miss Siha atau Miss Cinta, silahkan di copy paste dulu pertanyaan yang ada di kolom chat, kemudian nanti akan saya taruh di breakout room untuk bisa lebih leluasa conversation-nya gitu ya, to each other. Dan jangan lupa, don't forget to also be more interactive, be communicative. Jadi kalau misalkan nanti saling tanya gitu, biar sama-sama improve speakingnya gitu ya. So Miss Siha atau Miss Cinta silahkan di copy paste because Miss Era nanti akan sama saya gitu. Is that okay, everyone? Gak apa-apa ya? Good?
Okay, Miss.
All right.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you so much for the understanding. And then now I would like to put Miss ini ya, kita taruh Miss Cinta sama Miss Siha dulu di breakout room. Okay. So we will have this kind of conversation, everyone. Okay, so I hope that you can enjoy the conversation. Kita conversation-nya mungkin sekitar 10 sampai 15 menit ya. 10 sampai 15 menit, and then later on we can come back to the main room if we finish the question. Okay. Miss, kalau ada yang mau ditanyakan di luar ini boleh nggak? Boleh. Ini kan hanya panduan. Jadi kalau misalkan if you want to ask about other things, tentang apapun itu, hobi, favorite food, or maybe like tentang kegiatan kerjaan, nggak apa-apa, as long as you try to talk in English ya. Nanti kalau bingung topiknya apa, so you can talk about this one, like in the, I mean, for the guidelines, you can use that. Okay, so I will open the room, I mean for the breakout room, so you can go to the breakout room now. Thank you. Okay, Miss Cinta, maybe you can go there. Okay. All right, cool. So Okay, thank you everyone for coming back to the main room, and then thank you for having the very nice discussion in the breakout room. I appreciate that. Thank you, Miss Siha, Miss Cinta. You talk about Korean drama, your hobbies, ya itu yang saya dengar. Mungkin ada beberapa yang belum saya dengar, but I do hope that you enjoy the conversation, ya. What did you talk last time about Korean drama, hobby, and what else?
Thank you, Miss.
Morris. Okay. I hope that you enjoy, yeah, again. So I did the conversation with Miss Era. We talk about one topic here, and then we talk about other things. It's pretty interesting, though. Thank you, Miss Era, for the very nice discussion. And again, just for this time, I would like to just give a general feedback for all of you, everyone, ya. Semuanya udah pada bagus. Artinya, as long as you keep interacting with each other, selagi masih try to keep communicating, practice your English, itu udah sangat-sangat bagus, teman-teman. Jadi pada awalnya mungkin you feel a bit not confident or you feel a bit shy, tapi kalau misalkan treat your friends as a friends, jadi kayak teman ngobrol biasa aja, itu lebih nanti bisa memupuk confidence-nya teman-teman. Jadi confidence itu tidak bisa dibangun hanya dengan oh kita harus pede, nggak bisa gitu. So we have to take the action so we can be more confident. Jadi harus ngomong dulu sebentar-sebentar, sedikit-sedikit, baru nanti rasa percaya diri akan muncul dengan sendirinya, akan tumbuh kayak gitu ya. So that's how the way you can be more confident, especially in speaking English. Nah, secara general udah bagus, cuma saya kasih beberapa feedback secara umum ya. Jadi ada tadi jujur itu tulisannya kan di kolom chat itu Hanes. Tapi cara bacanya bukan Hanes, kita bacanya honest. A, jadi hanya kita hilangkan honest kayak gitu ya. Kalau ketidakjujuran berarti kita bilangnya dishonest kayak gitu. Misalkan jujur itu honest, kalau nggak jujur itu dishonest. I don't like people who are dishonest to me. Saya nggak suka orang yang tidak jujur gitu. Jadi kita bisa pakai dishonest, bukan dishonest, honest. Hanya kita hilangkan di situ ya. Kemudian ada tadi juga beberapa yang saya dengar, ada yang bilang he very kind kayak gitu. Itu kan materi kita barusan, jadi kurang to be-nya. Harusnya he is very kind to me, she is very kind to me kayak gitu ya. Kemudian ada lagi yang bilang sama dengan saya gitu, same with me, itu kurang tepat. Harusnya kalau kita bilang sama dengan saya, same as me, teman-teman ya. Jadi jangan mentranslate via bahasanya, tapi memang ada versi bahasa Inggrisnya. Kalau sama dengan saya, itu bisa pakai me too, atau juga bisa pakai so do I, ya. Tapi kalau misalkan teman-teman bingung dengan hal seperti itu, kita bisa aja bilang same as, bukan same with ya, sama dengan saya. Jadi jangan diartikan dengan itu kan with miss, iya. Tapi dalam bahasa Inggris ada beberapa kata yang sudah setelannya seperti itu gitu. Jadi same as me, sama seperti saya gitu ya. Kemudian tadi ada juga yang bilang I like to listening music kayak gitu. Ini ada dua kesalahan. Kalau misalkan bilang I like to listening music, itu mungkin secara arti bisa, tapi struktur grammarnya kurang tepat, teman-teman. Harusnya seperti apa? Setiap ada I like, kemudian ada kata kerja, maka kita harus, bentar dulu ya, ini ada dua opsi. I like to listen harusnya ya. Setelah itu harus sub satu, kemudian I like to listen to music. Listen itu harus selalu sama tuh kayak gitu. Dengerin apapun, listening to the music, listening to the podcast, listening to radio kayak gitu kan. Jadi listen memang harus sama tuh kayak gitu. Jadi nggak bisa listening music aja, listening to the music kayak gitu ya. Kemudian setelah I like itu verb 1 jangan lupa, bukan verb 2 atau verb ing kayak gitu ya. Itu aja sih secara umum, tapi overall udah sama-sama bagus. Speaking yang bagus, yang bisa interaktif dua-duanya. Kemudian you try to be more confident by taking the action, by trying to speak up. Jadi udah bagus semua, tinggal nanti kita lebih intensitas percakapannya gitu ya, intensitas speakingnya kita tingkatkan lagi kayak gitu ya. So that's it for the feedback for all of you, everyone. So well done, good job ya, Miss Era, good job. Miss Siha juga udah bagus banget. Miss Cinta juga udah bagus banget meskipun masih terbata-bata, tapi as long as you can keep talking, selagi bisa tetap nyoba ngomong itu udah bagus banget. Tinggal kita improve pelan-pelan gitu ya. Good job, thank you so much. Any questions before we close the meeting? Ada yang ditanyakan dulu terkait materi atau tentang bahasa Inggris in general? Or is it clear so far? Jelas? Good?
Yeah, Miss,
Yeah.
I think clear.
Clear. Okay, all right, thank you so much if it is clear. So if it is clear everyone, I guess that's it for our today's meeting. Insya Allah kita jumpa lagi, we will see each other again on Wednesday night ya, di Rabu malamnya di jam yang sama, oke? So thank you for coming everyone. Selamat melanjutkan kegiatannya lagi, aktivitasnya lagi, pekerjaannya lagi. Well done for today. And I do appreciate all the things and see you in the next meeting, okay? So let me close the class then. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you everyone.
Thank you. See you, Miss Devi.